Imagine you have an old carpet, one that probably dates back to your grandparents' time. Its colors have faded, its shine lost in the dust. You've tried modern cleaners, vacuumed, but that smell hasn't returned. But what if I were to tell you that 120 years ago, our ancestors had a secret recipe that could even revive the dead? Something that might sound gross, but whose results are better than today's expensive chemicals. I'm talking about Clarified Ox Gall. Today we'll go back in time. Turn the pages of Harper's Household Handbook, 1905, and learn that biggest secret of wash day wisdom, carpet refreshing with Ox Gall. It's not just cleaning, it's the art of restoration. Now the first question, what is this Ox Gall? To put it simply, Ox Gall is actually the bile of the ox, the same liquid that aids in digestion. You might be thinking, dude, why should I put this on my carpet? There's a unique combination of biology and chemistry here. Bile's job is to break down fats and oils. The most stubborn dirt on carpets is our foot sweat, oil, and greasy particles in the air. Modern detergents clean these, but they also strip the fibers of their natural oils, leaving the carpet looking dead. But Ox Gall is a natural surfactant. It removes that greasy layer without damaging the fibers, just like peeling off old skin. And best of all, it prevents pigments from bleeding and stabilizes them. According to Harper's Handbook, we don't want just any fancy machine. We want Clarified Ox Gall. These days it is available in liquid form at art supply shops. Blood warm water. Yes, the handbook mentions blood warm, approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Neither too hot nor too cold. A stubby broom or stiff brush. Clean towels to absorb dirt. Let's get started. Understand the process carefully because it's a slow art. Step 1, the deep clean. First, the carpet needs to be swept. In 1905, people used to beat it in the sun. We need to remove all the dust. If the dust remains inside, it will combine with the Ox Gall and become gritty. Step 2, the solution. Now it's time to make solutions. Handbook says, a little clarified Ox Gall dissolved in blood-warm water. Ratio? Approximately 1 tablespoon of Ox Gall to a gallon of water. Mix it lightly. It won't form much lather, and that's its specialty. Step 3, the application. Dip your brush in the solution and squeeze out any excess water. We don't want to soak the carpet, just dampen it. Now rub in a circular motion. You'll notice that the colors that seemed dull before will slowly start to pop. You see? Those reds and blues are coming back to life. Ox Gall closes the fiber scales, allowing light to reflect better and colors to pop. Why did Harper's use the phrase blood warm? There's a deep secret behind this. If the water is too hot, the wool fibers can shrink or their natural structure can be damaged. If the water is cold, the Ox Gall won't dissolve properly and won't be able to cut through greasy spots. Human body temperature blood warm is the perfect sweet spot, where cleaning efficiency is maximum and fiber safety is 100%. People of our past were not scientists, but their experience-based observation was amazing. Another interesting thing is written in the handbook. Animal matter makes the wool more alive. Carpets are often made from wool or silk, which are organic proteins. Ox Gall is also an organic material. When we treat organic fiber with an organic cleaner, the fiber does not dry out. It remains soft and flexible. Today's detergents contain bleaching agents that weaken the fibers. That's why ancient carpets used to last 100 years, while today's carpets start to wear out within 10 years. But wait, you shouldn't blindly apply to everything old. A few important things. Spot test. Always test on one corner of the carpet. Don't overwet. The handbook repeatedly says against slopping. Excessive water can damage the setting of the carpet or the floor underneath. The smell. Ox Gall has its own distinctive smell. Don't worry, keep ventilation. The smell goes away after drying. Harper's Household Handbook isn't just a laundry book. It's a glimpse into a life where things weren't considered throwaway, where care and restoration were valued. Today we live in an age of use and throw. But when we learn ancient techniques like Ox Gall, we're not just cleaning carpets, we're honoring the history and hard work that went into making them. So friends, that was our journey into wash day wisdom of 1905. Clarified Ox Gall, something you might not find in supermarkets today, but whose results are better than any modern cleaner. If you have an old rug, don't throw it away. Take some time, use some old chemistry, and watch your home smell of those old colors again. In the next episode, we'll talk about another strange but useful technique from Harper's. Black pepper tea for linens. Guess how black pepper can save your clothes? Till then, cherish old memories and make your home shine in vintage style. I'm Harry from Life Explains, and this was the secret of 1905. Cleanliness is not just about removing dirt, it's about restoring beauty. Subscribe Life Explains for the historical hacks.